Good evening, guys. For those of you having evening right now, good evening. First of all, I'm here to say sorry for certain things that has been appearing on our channel. There are videos that are coming on the channel that are not uploaded by us. There is a cyber attack on our channel, and we are actually trying to get rid of them. Even right now as I speak, I'm just here trying to do everything it takes to clean the channel, including, you know, changing a few security details for the channel. We are having a very serious cyber attack. We don't know how it happened. I don't know who is doing it, and I don't know why. So that's actually what is happening. And whatever video that you see that is not of Lakwed TV, just know that we didn't plan to put any of these videos. Really sorry for the things that probably might have come to this channel that is not appropriate. Lakwed TV would never ever put anything which is inappropriate to you, our viewers. In mitu wahoka Kenyu, kumbiti ini Lakwed TV, Jemi mogotiga time, dano magi hacking accounts, kumbiti ini gitiga temo hacking account me Lakwed TV, mano gitiga chwal video, mano perwate tutual, video mano bene inpe nyang tianloke, da completely nyope kiti geno mo ke ken ma no look ke je ma wan watimu botwa ka kan chi video ne be mer bien ata like la wo kidi wo ano videos ti maramo mia chel ke piera rio ma achao kwanyugi e ka chela chel chi food ko bidi ner mu kenetika bieno but gian ma bitimo mabe lawyer ene un mo tika nerwa wano tika yele wa mirni kodi jem kama ini pometek I channel na megwa. For those of you who are not getting what I'm talking about, we are experiencing cyber attack on our channel. There are videos that are coming here that are actually not appropriate. They are not in our viewers' discretion. And we really apologize for that, but we're doing everything. Actually, I am personally here trying to do everything it takes, including changing our security details so that we try to sort this cyber attack, which is on our channel. Definitely, Lakwed TV will never ever put anything that is inappropriate, which is not in line with what we do with the channel. So we really apologize for the inconveniences caused. I do not actually have the time to even check all these videos that are being put by the hacker on our channel, but I can just see them and they're not good. They're not in line with anything that we do. So un mutinenwa tim kija kamano jemine pote mama bear wabi tiago jemi weng ketmano metekene. Thank you so much for your support. You've been so grateful, our viewers. You've been so grateful, and thank you for following us. Now we are in good thousands because of your support. Please keep following us. Whatever is happening is just a temporary thing. It has never been there before, and we'll help sort it so that we keep the reputation of the channel the way it's supposed to be. So it's just a temporary thing. We'll be working on it, and all will be well. Everything will come back to normal. It's just probably, I don't know, whoever is doing it, I don't know. Yeah, these are things that happen on internet whenever they see you doing something good, someone will probably think of, you know, doing terrible things to you. So this, we believe that will be sorted. I am here personally, and I'm going to try and fix everything so that the channel is clean. I don't like it when you, the followers, you know, consume something that is not appropriate. Yeah, the attack is still continuing. I think maybe I should put you to be part of it so that you can see what is happening just right here. Let me show you. There you go. You can see these videos that we are trying to clean up. They are not our videos. We are not actually putting them. They're just hackers somewhere trying to upload all these videos. At least you know very well I don't we don't put these videos. Our video starts from this very one downwards. These are our videos, but anything that is coming here is not ours, you know. So we're just trying to do everything it takes, and we shall be done with it. These are the videos being sent by the hackers. We're just going to get rid of them, and it will be sorted. So stay with us. All will be well. I just felt like it's very, very important you get to know this, so that when it happens that you see something inappropriate on our channel, you get to understand what is happening. Yeah, we just hope that you'll understand what is happening. So on this other part of the screen, there's similar things happening, and we're just trying to have all these hackers videos deleted from the channel. I don't have time to watch them because I know that I don't need to let it stay for long on the channel. Some of these videos may be inappropriate, may be like pornography, you know. I am not really sure, but they could be because they're random videos. You find that adverts for VPN, there are adverts for games, there are adverts for, you know, like some of these Adobe Premieres, some, like I just don't know them. I'm not interested in checking and looking at all those things because they are not actually my own making. So I don't want to be part of something that is not my own making. I feel like it's very, very important you see what is happening to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll keep updating you as soon as this is over, as soon as this is done. I'll let you know as well. So it's just coming. I want you to see here. It's just coming. The videos are just coming. The videos are coming. You can see this one is checking for the copyright. This one is also checking for the copyright. This one is done checking for the copyright. They just keep coming. Someone else is probably controlling it from somewhere. So this is the cyber attack on the channel that is happening right now, and I'm here to try and sort it all, and hopefully it gets done anytime soon. So please, our viewers, our followers, don't lose hope, don't lose the trust. The videos, if you've watched any that is not appropriate, we would not and we will never, as Lakwed TV, to put for you something or anything inappropriate. So here I am. I'm going to sort it out. Thank you for watching, and thank you for understanding what is happening from our channel. God bless you. See you soon in about 47 minutes. In about 47 minutes, we shall be live at Tarapaluo TV, where we shall be talking. Where we shall be talking very important. We shall be discussing very important topic at Tarapaluo TV. This is our partner channel that we always talk issues related to our, issues that affect our community and culture. Like culture is the main one. But here we go. Thank you so much. Catch you soon in Tarapaluo TV. Don't forget, we always discuss very important matters and issues. Thank you for watching. Here now come to the end of the live stream for now, but very soon I'll be doing a lot of this live stream for other issues, other programs. So thank you. See you soon.